So, hello everybody and welcome. So today I'll talk about how to extend Easy Publish 5 bundles or Symfony bundles actually. So let's say we have this website and we are using that base bundle, but we don't like some stuff here and we want to change, like we want to change the CSS and some template files. So what we could do actually is edit the files directly, but that's not a good idea because if later I update my base bundle and you have changed some files yourself and you want to update the bundle, it will conflict with my changes that I have made. So it's not a good idea. If you want to customize some stuff here, the best way to do this is actually creating another bundle that extends this bundle. So let's say we have this website here and we want to change the CSS and just for example, we want to change the breadcrumb template. So we need to start creating another bundle. How do we do this? We can just go here and type php easy publish console and bundle. No, it's actually generate bundle. Okay, so this is a command line tool, and now we need to specify the bundle namespace. In this sample here, I will just use today / example bundle. Okay, and I just type enter to confirm that the bundle name will be this one, today example bundle, and the target directory, so it will be created inside this directory here that by default is the bundle directory for Easy Publish projects. So I'll just confirm this, and now I need to determine the format to use for the generated configuration. I'm going to use YML. Do you want to generate the whole directory structure? Yes, I want to generate the whole directory structure. So confirm generation, yes, and yes, and boom, boom. Okay, so if you check our file system here, we will notice that we have now another folder inside the today bundle, today namespace folder, and that is example bundle. So now what we need to do to say that this bundle extends this base bundle here is adding a function here called public function get parent. Okay, so we are overriding the get parent function from the bundle class, and we need just to return the parent bundle name. In this case it will be today base bundle. Okay, and now we are ready to start doing some overrides. So if we go here now, we can check that nothing has changed, but we want to, let's say we want to change the breadcrumb template here. So I know that this breadcrumb template is this one, is inside the resource, views, and parts breadcrumb. So if you want to override this template here, we need to create the same structure in our new bundle. So we know that there is already one resources folder here, and the views is here. What we need to create is inside this folder, the views folder, we need to create a folder called parts, because we need to recreate that path. So I create a folder here called parts. I'll delete this folder here because I'm not going to use this folder. And inside this folder, I can just copy this one and paste here. So now, let's say I just want to do a simple hello world here. I'm not going to do a lot of stuff, so I just type here hello world. And now if we go to the website and try to check if it's working already, we will notice that it's not working right now because we need to clear the cache. So I'll go to the console here, to the command line, and I'll type php easy publish / console and cache clear. Okay, so now I hope that that message will appear here. Hello world. Yeah, now we see that it's working. So we have changed the breadcrumb template in our new extension, and the old extension, the base bundle extension, has not been changed. So it's the same. I can update this using GitHub update command or whatever, and we can now track our changes. Like if you update, you have no problem trying to apply our changes again, because it's already applied here. I have the template here. It will override the default extension template. In Easy Publish 4.4, we know that some people have changed the Easy Web Interface extension directly, and later they had a lot of problems trying to update that extension, because they need to check what they have changed and what they need to change again, and so it's better to extend one extension. So this is one example, right? And I'll talk about another stuff, like how can we actually override CSS. So I have this this file here, page head style, and I have included some CSS files here. So we have two ways to specify the path to the CSS file. We can specify the path like this, and we can specify the path like this. Why I'm specifying the path like this? Because I'm using this filter here, CSS rewrite, and this CSS file has some reference to fonts and images. So if I use this filter here, when this CSS file is compiled, the path to the images and the path to the fonts will be rewritten, and it will work. But I cannot, in this case, I cannot override this file using my new extension, my new bundle here easily. In this case, I can override it easily just by creating the same structure like we have in the base bundle folders. I can just create the same structure here, and as long as I have specified that my bundle extends the 2T base bundle, so if Symfony finds in my bundle this file here, is core.css, it will use my CSS file instead of the base bundle CSS file. So let's try this. And but we have one problem with this, because I could not find one way to rewrite the path to images and the fonts using this notation here. So, but basically, if I'm going to override this file here, I need to make sure that if I have some file, if I'm using some images inside the CSS files, I need to just recreate the images directory, etc. in my bundle here. So let's try to do this. So I need to go to the public folder, and inside this CSS folder I'll just copy my core CSS here, CSS, and I have this core CSS file, and I'll put this here. Okay, and I want to change the body background color to DDD. Okay, so it will be a gray background. If I go to the website now, we will notice that nothing happens. Oh, okay, so it was actually fast. I didn't need to clear the cache or generate the assets called the assets install and asset key dump. Anyway, so yeah, so basically this is one way to override the CSS files. But if we really want to override these files, I would suggest to just create another file, another template file that overrides this page head style.html.twig in our new bundle here. Just like we have overridden the breadcrumb.html.twig file here. And we can just change the CSS files path here in our new bundle. So basically that is it. That is the main idea that I want to talk in this tutorial. It's just a quick tutorial about how to start extending extensions or bundles. In this case, I'm sorry, I'm just one old Easy Publisher developer, so I'm not used with the new terms, the new Symfony terms. It's instead of extension, I need to say bundle. But that is it. If you want more information about how to extend bundles, you can check Symfony. Symfony website. I have these two links I will put in the video description, so you know that you can extend, you can override more stuff. You can override even classes, configuration files, and the forms, etc., translations. And so I'll put these links in the description. And yeah, that is it. I hope you enjoy, and try to not make changes in the bundles that you have downloaded in the internet directly. Try to create a new bundle and extend the bundle that you have downloaded instead. Okay, so that's it. Bye bye.